In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bulk upload images to Shopify without using the CSV Import feature. If you've got a large number of product images and don't want to upload them one by one, this method will save you a ton of time. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the homepage, click on the search icon and type in Apps. Inside the App section, search for Bulk Upload. From the results, look for an app called CS Smart Bulk Image Upload. This is the tool we'll use. Go ahead and click on it. Now install the app on your store. Follow the prompts and accept any permission requests. Don't worry, this is standard when adding new apps to Shopify. Once installed, return to your apps dashboard and open CS Smart Bulk Image Upload. Click Create New Upload to begin. The next step is to connect your Google account. Select the account that contains your product images and make sure to allow access so the app can pull them directly from your Google Drive. After connecting, choose the specific folder in your drive where all your images are stored. Then select the matching type, for example, product name or SKU. This tells Shopify which images belong to which products. Before uploading, you'll be asked whether you want to replace existing images. If you're adding new ones, select Don't Replace Existing Images so you keep your current visuals intact. Finally, click Start Matching. The app will automatically match your images to the correct products and upload them in bulk. Depending on how many images you have, this may take a few minutes. And that's it. You've just learned a quick and efficient way to bulk upload product images to Shopify without using CSV files. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!